Hey guys, welcome back to new video. If you can't access to your Roblox account or thinking you got hacked on your Roblox account, you came to the right place, and I will tell you how to get back your Roblox account in the simplest way possible. Before that, please like and subscribe to this channel. First, you need to go to the official Roblox website and go to support page. Then you will get a page like this. In this page, you can send your problem to the Roblox to solve anything which is occurring in your account. Then give them your Roblox username and your first name for your information. And then type your email address of your Roblox account. Remember, Roblox will contact you with this email which you have typed in. Next, you need to select which device are you using. Here there are so many devices to select, but I'm using PC, so I will select PC. Next, you need to select what problem is your category in. Here there will be so many options to choose from. You can't see the options, but I can see them. So you need to select hacked or can't log in. Next, you need to select the account hacked option. And now it's the part for final thing. Here you need to type to the Roblox what you are experiencing in a polite way, so that they can check your account problem and solve the problem faster. After that, they will send a mail to you about the status of your Roblox account or the problem of your account. In this way, you can get back your Roblox account back in the simplest way. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel.